let's play a little game which is called One Word because we are going to have, I'm gonna have to mention some personalities that I have in mind and you would describe as a one word. Are you ready?
Okay, I hope I know them.
Okay, so let's go first and foremost. Likely the Miss Philippines or the 2023 Iliana Marie Aduana of Siniloan, Laguna.
One word, that'd be glowing.
Wow. Miss Universe 2015 Pia Alonso Wurzbach.
Purposeful.
Mutya ng Davao 2023 Maria Isabel Pelayo. One word.
That would be determined.
Yeah. Hiyas sa Kadayawan 2022 Beauty Rose Ganda Rosa.
Ay, smart.
Yeah. Hiyas sa Kadayawan 2023 Christine Claire Daya Tar.
Genuine.
Hiyas sa Kadayawan 2024 Shane Marie Awe.
Shane, I would say she is... Ano ba?
Think of one word.
Hindi ko pa masyadong si Shane. Pero as what I can observe naman, she is a very kind.
Okay. Miss Philippines or 2024 Ira Mel Inutan Alfeche.
Ay, she is genuine. 100%. Authentic. Yun na lang. Authentic.
Okay. The current Miss Universe Philippines Sindangan Ibon Ortega.
Ibon, she's really beautiful. Gorgeous. Yan. Or drop dog. Drop talaga.
Yes.
Very gorgeous.
Barangay Captain of Buhangin Proper Omar Vincent Duterte.
Helpful.
Councilor Alrayan Alejandre.
Supportive. He's been so supportive to us, yes.
Veteran City Councilor Pilar Cañeda Braga.
I haven't met him.
She is a former teacher.
Oh. I would say she's insightful.
Yes. I hope she watches this right now and she would know that the one word is appreciative for her. Okay. Vice Mayor Attorney J. Melchor Bumpos Kitain Jr.
Strong-willed.
Philippine Vice President Sara Zimmerman Duterte Carpio.
Strong.
Former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte.
I would say impactful. Yun na lang. Yes.
Our very own Davao City Mayor Sebastian Baste Duterte.
I would the best. I'm thinking of the best word that will describe him.
But think of it.
Yeah. I would say he is. I would say strong-willed. Yes.
Okay. Pag-asa ng Davao 2024 or third runner-up of Mutya ng Davao, Fredelma Nova Tinasas Corporal.
Energetic.
Yeah. That's the same. Sinag ng Davao 2024, Yuan Preglo.
Beautiful. I think we can't argue with that.
Yes.
She's really beautiful.
Diwa ng Davao 2024, Jan Marine Rendon.
Skillful. She's good in hosting.
And last but far from least, Mutya ng Davao 2024, the first female plus-size candidate, Hannah Mage Picho.
She's an inspiration.
Nice.
Very inspirational, yes.